लास्ट वीडियो में हमने अपना चैप्टर इंट्रोड्यूस किया था। आज हम उससे आगे प्रोसीड करते हैं। वी विल प्रोसीड फर्दर दैट हाउ वी कैन बैलेंस द केमिकल रिएक्शन। बैलेंस्ड केमिकल रिएक्शन क्या होती है? वी विल सी हेयर टाइप्स ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शंस. Number 1 is balanced chemical reaction. Number 2 is unbalanced chemical reaction. What is balanced chemical equation? When the total number of atoms on left hand side, that is reactant side, when the total number of atoms on left hand side, that is reactant side, not equal to the total number of atoms on product side, that is right hand side, then the equation is called unbalanced. जब दोनों साइड पर एटम्स इक्वल नहीं हो. लेट अस सी एग्जांपल. magnesium oxygen, these are the reactant. Magnesium oxide is a product. We will see here on the reactant side, that is left hand side, magnesium is 1, oxygen is 2. Here the magnesium is 1, oxygen is 1, so it is not balanced because here oxygen 2 and oxygen 1. So this is called the unbalanced chemical equation. When total number of atoms on the both sides are equal, then it is called the balanced chemical equation. Here we can see the example of a balanced chemical equation. Total number of atoms on both sides equal, we will balance the equation. Now select the formula having largest number of atoms. Here oxygen is 2, but here is 1. So magnesium oxide is multiplied by 2. Magnesium oxide is multiplied by 2 to balance the oxygen. But now magnesium is also 2 on product side. We will write also 2 in front of magnesium to balance this. Now in both sides the magnesium 2, oxygen 2. Now the total atoms are equal. It is called the balanced chemical equation. जब दोनों साइड पर एटम इक्वल होते हैं उसे हम बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन कहते हैं. चलिए एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं हम इस बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन का. Let us see potassium chlorate. Here you can see potassium chlorate KClO3. When heated, it will form potassium chloride and oxygen. On the left hand side, potassium is 1, chlorine is 1, oxygen is 3. Here potassium is 1, chlorine is 1, oxygen is 2. Now select the atoms formula having largest atom, that is KClO3. Here oxygen is 3. To balance this oxygen, it is multiplied with the 2, so write 2 here. Now here the oxygen is 2. To balance it, it is multiplied with 3. Now the oxygen is balanced, 6 on both sides. But here the potassium is 2. Write 2 here. Potassium is balanced on both sides. Now chlorine is 2. It is automatically balanced. Now here the total number of atoms on both sides are equal is called balanced chemical equation. Let us see one more example. Zinc react with hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Here the zinc is 1, here the zinc is 1, hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2, chlorine 1, chlorine 2. So you can balance hydrogen or chlorine 1 by 1. To balance the hydrogen here is 2, it is multiplied by 2 on the left hand side. To balance the chlorine, we can already see the chlorine is 2 here, now the 2 here, it is also balanced. Now zinc, hydrogen and chlorine on both sides are equal. It is called the balanced chemical equation. You can do more and more practice. I will give you the practice sessions and then you will realize how we can balance the chemical equation. In the next video, we will proceed the stepwise method of balancing the chemical equation.